It is now almost 10 o'clock and I just finished installing the roof rack. Yeah, I will show it to you later. And I'm going to clean my bed. Actually, I feel like something is moving here inside of this bed. Yeah, I feel it, some kind of like a vibration, something. That's why I'm removing all of this. I'm going to wash it. And then this 1, 3, 4. 4 layer including the blanket. Just now I noticed that this is actually a two bed. Yeah, this one is a little bit harder. That one is soft, very comfortable. Yeah, this is the brand Lullaby. This is a good quality bed. Look at this. And looking at it, it's like a new. Oh no, this is not for this. This is actually for the first layer. That's it. I'm going to put the rest later because yeah, I'm still washing it. And my rice is cooked now. And now it's time to prepare my eggs. The other half will be for my dinner. Actually, I eat everything. I'm going to eat it all. I will just fry another egg tonight for my dinner. My duty today is still at 2 o'clock. And so I'm going to dry this in the sun. Yeah, it's very sunny outside. And then this. I already took a shower, but yeah, I'm not yet finished with this bed. I don't know actually what is that thing that is moving here. Something like vibrating, or yeah, mostly feels like vibrating a little bit. It is now 12:40. It is now 12:42. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but it's very noisy. It's the AC, air condition, the fan. But when I get inside, it was very hot. And that's why I am using the AC now. And this is how beautiful it is this time. Amazing, beautiful, look at that. I need to put on the brake because yeah, it automatically going down at 60, 65, and the speed limit here is just 50. Now I switch out the AC. It's quiet. Oh, we're going to stop in Roywood Reserve, and I don't notice any difference yet having this roof rack. Maybe I'm going to notice it when I am on the highway with the speed. I saw in the forum that when you have a roof rack, expect that there is a wind noise. But yeah, I followed the procedure, the instruction to avoid the wind noise. And this is how it is here in Roywood Reserve. Yeah, there are some people there having a break time. Yeah, they are eating. And this is now my roof racks. This is a eBay roof rack. Very cheap, very affordable. There is no brand. It's like that. It's just clamp here. The time now is 1:16. I still have time. But I am hungry. Let me check if I have food in the car. If I am not mistaken, I still have some food here. Crackers. Oh yeah, I still have biscuit flakes. This coffee. Okay, I'll have this. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I had a good night sleep last night. Yeah, I didn't feel the vibration of the bed. And this is my breakfast. For the love like yours, so very hard to find. It is now 12:20, and yeah, my duty today is 2 o'clock. I'm going to take a shower now. Oh, yesterday you see me that I cleaned this bed. Yeah, that is because yeah, in the previous months, almost every day I have been experiencing something weird. Like when I'm laying on the bed in the night, yeah, it's the time before I fall asleep, I feel like there is something moving on my pit area. Yeah, like here. So basically, like when I'm sleeping, lying on here, I feel like something is moving inside, like vibrating a little bit. Yeah, like moving a little bit, vibrating, you know. Yeah, so I always have in mind that maybe it is my feet or my foot that is pulse, you know, the pulse like this. That is what I am thinking about. But it's really unsure because it also feels like something coming from inside the bed. And it makes me scared a little bit, you know? Yeah. What mostly I'm scared is maybe there is a snake is inside or a mouse. And that is the reason why I cleaned it yesterday. And another thing that I am thinking about is, yeah, actually I'm not really scared of ghosts or anything spirit. Yeah, because they are, I think they are nice spirit. And then I check online. Yeah, there is no proper explanation, but a lot of people actually experience the same. You can try to check in Google. Eh, why my bed is moving, like vibrating. Check like that, and you will see a lot of people experiencing that. But yeah, last night, yeah, was good. I sleep at around 1 o'clock last night and didn't experience that movement, vibration. Yeah, my bed is a good bed. And then sometimes I also hear some kind of scratching like this. If you can hear that sound. And what I think about that is the birds. Because there are many birds just at the back of the wall. And it is very windy outside. Look at this. You see those? Very windy. Oh, I'm going to take a shower now.